Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Thing. So this is our new project, Smart 5D Robotic Arm. So let's see the hardware components of the project. In this project, we are using a 230 volt AC power supply. So this is a step down transformer. So this is a bridge rectifier circuitry, our voltage regulatory circuitry. So these are the step down modules. So our main microcontroller board is a Arduino Uno. So this is a liquid crystal display. So this is a Bluetooth module for the communication with mobile. So these are the connector of the servo motor. So this is a robotic arm, so which is a 3D printed parts. So these are the servo motor for the controlling our robotic arm. So like this system we are using the hardware components. So let's see the working and explanation video of the project. So let's turn on the power supply of the project. So as you can see here, right now the project has been turned on. So we have the Android app. So this is an Android app. So we will provide this Android app with the project. In this app we have the two options. One is the auto mode, another one is the manual mode. In auto mode, automatically the robotic arm will be pick the item and place the item. So like this system, in manual mode we can manually pick the item and place it, okay, by controlling each and every part of the robotic arm. So we have the all the parts of controlling in app, so we can control like this system. So let's see the working video of the auto mode. So in the auto mode we can automatically run this system, okay. Okay, automatically the project is working. We are not controlling the anything. We have already saved the command. So in that direction our robotic arm is rotating. So according to your user commands, you can control the robotic arm each and every parts, okay. So we have already saved the each and everything. Basically it is mimicking the same working again and again repeatedly in the loop, okay. So like this system the auto mode is there. So let's see the working video of the project in manual mode. In the manual mode we can directly control this robotic arm, okay. So right now I'm rotating the base, as you can see here. So whenever you give the command, basis on that the robotic arm will be operate. Right now I have given the shoulder command, okay. So this is an elbow command. So this is a roll command. So it is a pitch command, okay. Like this system the gripper command also work, okay. So like this system the project working is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.